friends, running kimono. I've been going since 5 o'clock this morning, so I'm working on about 2 brain cells. For this video, I used more than one store card, just to throw that out there. And if you are very new to this, please check out these 2 videos on the basics of the clearance event. I really get into the specific details, along with the POG video, which are those weird, goofy orange stickers, and how to maximize your savings over at the Dollar General. This is just basically a haul to show you what I found and the price points and some of the problems I had. So this is day 1 of the Dollar General clearance event. So lots of items in the clearance section, 50% off. POG, which is those goofy orange stickers, 50% off. There was a couple complications with that we'll talk about. But for the most part, I did 2 transactions with a 5 off of 25. A lot of very tiny hauls as well. And then I did a lot of like just a little bit here, a little bit there, and just looking for freebies and cheapies just to try to maximize. I visited 7 stores today. I started first thing this morning and I just kept going. I did pull the plug though around 1 o'clock. It seemed like the app was really choking hard around 1 o'clock. I'm not sure if you guys had the same thing, but we'll talk about some of the complications I had, along with showing you some UPCs and all the rest of the stuff if you want to partake. Obviously today, which is Saturday the 29th, you can use a 5 off of 25 with, along with manufacturer coupons. And I think for most of this, I just handed over like maybe 3 coupons for the Fantastic, and then I used 1 coupon for the Airwick, and the rest was all digital, so it was really fantastic. So the first little thing we're gonna talk about, and this is a freebie and a moneymaker, and this has nothing to do about the clearance event, but if you are headed near a Dollar General and you are a lady, you probably wanna pick this up. This product is called Azo, and it is a urinary tract cranberry pill, the 20 count. So this guy is $3.25. IBOTTA has a very generous $5 rebate, so it makes it free plus a $1.75 moneymaker. If you are looking to put something in your 5 off of 25 basket, this would take a very large amount of it. So I would really recommend, if you're in the Dollar General and you have this IBOTTA rebate, absolutely do it, because this is fantastic. So let's start talking about some clearance stuff. So the Angel Soft, this specific one, which is the Fresh Evergreen, this toilet paper, and I will show you the UPC in a second. At a 50% off store, it is $1.37. For the purposes of this video, we're just gonna talk about the 50% off stores, because I know most of you will not have a 70% off store. If it's a 70% off store, I think it's 83 cents. But at this one, it is $1.37 at a 50% off. I just want to point something out, guys, because these 2 products look very identical, but they're actually different. See the one that says Fresh Ocean Breeze? That is not it. We're looking for Fresh Evergreen. You really have to pay attention, and a lot of these are mixed in together, so just really be on your A game. So you can look for this in a regular section. You can look for it on in an end cap, or it might be on a sky shelf. And in some stores, they might have 12 or 18, but I think it's in a box in the back. So good luck trying to track that down. Of the 7 stores I visited today, okay, so I visited 7 stores. I found it at 3 locations, and I probably came across about 50 units. And I only brought 12 home, so do not come for me in the comments. This is interesting, kind of like behind a cash register at one of the stores I visited. I'm wondering if one of the staffers did this or what the story was, but they were just kind of hidden there, and it kind of made me wonder. So it was kind of like a hidden location, but not so hidden. So I kind of got a laugh out of that. I didn't go too crazy, but with a 5 off of 25, you can really boost your basket with that. This is one item for $1.37, even though it is scented toilet paper, something I would absolutely grab. I did visit one 70 store, so some of this stuff you might be wondering, like, why would you buy that? I just got it really cheap, but again, we're gonna only look at the 50% off prices. This TV tray is $3.75, and I'll show you the UPC. I think most clearance aisles have it. But yeah, it's just a handy little thing to put your remotes on the top. Open up your Dollar General app and scan, scan, scan. Hopefully it's bringing up $3.75 per VU. Wrinkle Guard, I believe this guy is $1.77. And again, I picked this up at a 70% off store, so I paid like $1.07 for it. But here is the UPC if you want to look for this guy. Hopefully that's focusing. But especially with the price of P&G products going up, this was quite the little score for these Wrinkle Guards. I bought this stuff to go with the 5 off of 25 basket because I just needed a little bit of extra to boost my basket, but I'm not going to go through that. We have a 3 off of 2 for this and a $2 for that, but you guys probably already know that. Mr. Fantastic, this was a fantastic item to find. $1.33. I had a 50-cent insert coupon, and so it was 83 cents per. So really fantastic. Now this was a product I was really happy to find. It's the Rexall T-Gel. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you the UPC for this. How unprofessional of me. Sorry guys. There's the UPC. Sorry about that. My mouth gets ahead of my knowledge here. Sorry, it's been a long day. Okay, so the Rexall T-Gel. So if you suffer from psoriasis, you know precisely what this is. And Rexall is the company. And this guy was $1.55 at a 50% off store. And usually I buy my mom like about 10 of them before I go to visit her up in Canada, because in Canada these are about you know, $15 for an 8 fluid ounce T-Gel shampoo. So if you have psoriasis, it's a very costly thing. So I'm just delighted to find so many. And the irony of all of this is really hard to find in Canada right now with the broken supply chain, and it's actually made in Canada. So I was able to track down 9 of these, and at one store I visited today, get this, I brought 3 of them up that I found, and I found them in the clearance section, and the cashier scanned all 3, and she's like, that'll be $9. And I'm like, oh, these aren't part of clearance? And she's like, oh, we're not having the clearance event here. And I'm like, oh no. I'm like, I just won't buy it then. And I'm like, I just wanted to get this for my mom. And then she just looked at me and she's like, well, if you're getting them for your mom, I guess I'll have to make this happen for you. She went, avoided the transaction, and re-rang all of them for 50% off, which is like, if you shop at the Dollar General, you know that is like some Cadillac service. So I was so grateful. I will definitely do this survey for her. She was so nice, and she knew I was buying this for my mom, and she was just a real like nice lady. So happy. This is some liquid gold, and if you have psoriasis, you know precisely what I'm talking about, how this is really hard to find, because just before Christmas I was trying to track some down at Walmart for my mom, and I could not. I had brought her about 12 in the summertime, and I thought that was enough. I wanted to get her just a bit more in case they do something stupid like close that border again. So thankfully I found 9, and I'm gonna save every last one for my mom because 8 fluid ounces is not a lot of shampoo. Okay, so we're just gonna jump over here really quick and talk about the oatmeal, because I know a lot of you might have questions about the oatmeal. So in the app, these are ringing up for $1.80 each, but if you bring them to the till, they're ringing up for 90 cents each. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $1.80. We have a digital 2 off of 2, so it makes it free. Because that is a Dollar General coupon, there is no overage. However, you can use that $1.80 for part of your 5 off of 25 basket, even though it's a DG coupon. So a lot of people had questions about that. The other thing that's ringing up very goofily is this. At the 70% off store, it rang up beautifully as part of clearance. At a regular 50% off store, it didn't. It rang up for $4 and some change. So this, don't buy it. Don't buy it. You know what I would buy? This one, because this is ringing up properly. This guy is ringing up for $2.70. We have a $3 digital coupon. It makes it free plus 30 cents of overage. Oh, look, there's a little crack in this. You know, it's professional. So grab something else with your overage for this, but hey, it's a little something. The Toms of Maine, this was $2.23. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll pay $1.23. IBOTTA has a 50-cent rebate, so it makes it 73 cents for a Toms of Maine deodorant. How fancy schmancy. And the Dove. The hand soap is $1.80. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you're paying 80 cents for a Dove hand soap. How nice is that? Children's Colgates are $1 each, found in the regular dental care aisle. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, so it'll basically make it free plus $1 of overage. Now with that $1 of overage, you must grab something to pick it up. Mr. Scrubbing Bubbles is $1.24. So with that overage, you're gonna pay 24 cents. And this is the Scrubbing Bubbles UPC. Sorry guys, I forgot the last round. How irresponsible of me. This is the UPC for Dove, the hand soap. Tom's of Maine, the deodorant. And the proper skin tint that you should find that's working. This guy is $2.70, $3 digital, so it'll make it free plus 30 cents of overage. In one of these stores just bebopping around. I also tracked down this Christmas, it's like a little oil that goes in your Airwick diffuser. It's called Apple Cinnamon by True Living, which is the Dollar General brand. This guy was 5 cents on the nose. So hopefully this will focus. But 5 cents, I had to pick it up. This mist kit by Airwick. This guy was $4.47. We have a $3 digital, so it's $1.47. And I will have to photograph my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because hopefully I will get some points back for that. Wouldn't that be nice? Seventh generation, a little bit of fanciness right here for this little dish soap. This would be $1.20 at a 50% off store. And there is the UPC, guys. These Tresemes that I found are 2. You have to buy them in sets of 2. 2 for $3.75. There's instant savings of $3 off when you buy 2, so it'll make it 75 cents for the 2. And to answer a quick question, can you get more than 2 in one transaction? What I did, guys, was I did many transactions today. So I actually did it in 4 transactions. I didn't put more than 2 per transaction because I did not want any trouble with that. And then, oh, if you guys want to see the barcodes, I got like a whole bunch of these conditioners. Nobody wanted them. So this is the conditioner and it's called 24-hour volume. So there you have that, the conditioner. And here is the shampoo. Also look in the regular aisle. If you've watched my video about POG, I think I had some just regular ones too that were in there. It is so bright outside right now that it's really hard to focus with the camera because it's so sunny outside right now. Or not sunny, but the sun is, or the snow is just reflecting really sharply. The last thing that I got was 2 of these Suave body washes. I have a whole bunch of these, so I just did it for the video. I just grabbed 2. They're 2 for $1.80. There's $1 off 2 digital, so it made it 80 cents for the 2 or 40 cents per body wash. And I will show you the UPC before I forget again. So guys, this clearance event is still taking place on Sunday the 30th. Obviously there's no 5 off of 25 to go with them, but if you want to get out and try and find some stuff like the Angel Soft or the Quaker Oatmeal, make it happen because Sunday is the last day, which is the 30th. And then when it hits Monday the 31st, like this product, for example, guys, that's $3.10. It was half price. It is going to be back to $3.10 starting on Monday. So good luck and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!